Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Oracle Apex, and today our topic is autocomplete text item. So you have already maybe seen on different websites that when you type something in a text box, it will give you suggestions, you can say, predefined or from a list. So it will give you those pre again. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video on Oracle Apex, and today our topic is autocomplete text item. This is a type of text item. It is almost same like a text item, but it has certain additional feature which is making it different than the text item. So it will allow you that when you will type something, it will give you the available options. So that is called autocomplete. So you can have certain settings that if you type single character, it should search or show or not. Or you can, let's say, for example, when you will type two, it will show you the findings, right? So we are going to explore this text item today. Let's move. So here is a autocomplete option I have created just for the demo. So I'm just typing K and it gave me king, right? Because this is already there in the data. And let me type, I don't know their names, but let me type M. Yes. See, now the best part is it is not searching from the start. See, let's say in this, M is the second character. So first is ignored because we are searching M, whatever is typed here, right? King, Smith, who are else? I don't know their names, but let me try A, right? Blake. So Blake is also there, while A is the third character. Okay. Now let me show you how we can configure it or how we can create it, right? So quick edit. I'm here. I have this region, just heading, nothing else over there. So this is my item. On the right side, if you see text field with autocomplete, right? It is next to the text field. So after setting this, the page item, this property, next is just label fetch on type, right? So when you will type, it should fetch or not. These are settings. Use cache, maximum values in list. This is maximum value list. By default, I think it is 7. So let me put it 7. You will see it like 7, right? Save. Here, if you noticed, when I was typing K, there should be more than 1. So it was restricting due to this property, right? K is in 3, but it was giving me the top one. I mean the upper one, the first one. So I set it back to 7, and then this setting is match type. So you want to check the case as well. So if I type small and data is in caps, it will not find if it is case sensitive, right? Exact and case sensitive, contains and case sensitive, exact and case sensitive. So all these settings you can explore, right? The way is your requirement. Minimum characters. This is another good setting. So if I will set it to 2, right? Now let me refresh. Now with K, nothing will appear because my second character is not there. So I'm typing KI. Now it will search KI, right? So you can increase or whatever you want. It is up to you. Next, there is no important setting which is different except this list of value, because this item is based on a list of value. Although it is not there showing that it is list of value or list or anything, but when you will create this type of item, you need to define list of values. So in list of values, you can have shared components, SQL query, static values, function body returning SQL query. Okay. And it has this cascade list of values. So parent child relation you can create up to, right? So this is rest settings I don't want to discuss even, because those were discussed in other, let's say text items or whatever. You can play those videos and watch and understand these values. I don't want to. I just am focusing only settings related to auto. Okay, let's say you might say how to create from start. Right click. If you see on the, so first is create region, no, create page item. The second option. Third one is create button. So you have to remember the middle one. This is I am telling for the beginners, so don't worry. When you will create this, by default, it is a text field, right? On the right. Click and it will show you this list. Scroll down to next to the text field, right? See the error? Immediately it will throw an error. So in error, it is saying it need to be LOV. Let me copy the LOV query from here itself, not writing it name and save it. So if you see by default it is 7, minimum character is 1, contains and ignore case, right? That's it. Nothing else. Let me change the title. Auto complete text, right? Just to be safe side, so we will not mix two text fields. So this is my text field. I'm typing K, right? I, that's it. So this is how you can use text field with autocomplete, right? Please try and try to use different, because Oracle Apex has provided so many types of fields or items, right? I have tried to, I think, explain most of these, and there are different videos available. You can just play those videos. Um, Almost, I don't remember if anything is pending out of these, but yes, each field is really nice as if it meets your requirements. So no need to struggle. You will get things already available. Just use, right, and get benefit out of these. Right. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.